Afar and wanna get to know you, but I can't find a way to relate to another human being and not sound like an ass. My life is dark as space or the inside of a crankshaft.
Let's merge like Devastator and take on over the world.
You and me are like hot rod and RC, but I'm cooler than Judd Nelson could ever be. You may think that comparison stinks, cause their colors really clash, but I look good in pink. Once I get to know you, will you transform into a heartbreak on wheels? The last thing that I see is your perfect silhouette as you drive into the sun, because
you're not convinced that I'm the chosen one.
Forget about Ultra Magnus, I'm the one who'll get the Matrix.
Though my reckless ways seem dangerous,
the perfect life on Cybertron awaits us.
Let's merge like Devastator and take on over the world.
You and me are like hot rod and RC, but I'm cooler than Judd Nelson could ever be. You may think that comparison stinks, cause their colors really clash, but I look good in pink. Judd Nelson could ever be. You may think that comparison stinks, cause their colors really clash, but I look good in pink.